This one's nice, but that one has 2 and it's 15. This one's 10. So I'm gonna take the one in the cart. See if my son could use it. Those are beautiful. $40 for 2. See most of these. Actually, this one's new. I think they had it last year though. $35. It's cute. There's nothing new that we haven't seen. I think maybe the spooky tree, which is cute. $15. Oh, he's mad. Oh, look at the couple. How cute. Only $10. I think we've seen him. He's got a little cape with bats. Jack-o'-lantern. And she's got her cute little dress on. Oh, I love it. But I'm not going to get them. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Is how cute. I hit the mother load, friends. Look. Oh, my gosh. I'm going to be taking 4 of these. 2 for my cousin and 2 for me. I'm going to take 2 of those, 2 of these, and I think another one of the cats. That's it. So yeah, these are going to be here, but I'm never going to find these if I don't get them now. I'm so happy I found them. Look at these, friends. Oh my gosh. These are adorable. $25. And this I got last year, $25, but I think I want to take extras. And where's the other one? Oh, these 2, see? $25. My plan was to take a couple of those Johanna Parker extras, but I decided not to because once I saw the cost, I was like, ouch, that's quite a bit of a dent in my pocketbook. So I ended up just saving these for my cousin and see if she wanted them. But she didn't want any of them either, so, but we did meet and exchange our stuff. Look how, oh my gosh, you guys, I was in heaven this day. There's my cousin and my aunt. We are cookie crazy. See, I am giving them stuff. I did bring them. They brought me stuff and I brought them stuff. It wasn't all for me. Ooh.
My nanny clothes.
So I am the devil today because look at all this stuff. Oh yes, my aunt and my cousin are angels. They brought me Christmas early. Christmas, Halloween, everything together. So beautiful, so beautiful. Afterwards, we went to this place called Chronic Tacos. It was really delicious. We've been here twice and we love it. After doing Johanna Parker, this is a great combo.
Oh, can I get a little bit?
Already eating. Look, she's already eating. Ooh, that looks yummy. That's like. Bath and Body, right? Oh, so cute. So beautiful. Oh, look at these. How beautiful. Stand over there, cousin. Look over here. Ooh. say about this one? What do you say?
Arriba Texas!
Yeah, put it on your face. Hey, arriba Texas. Thank you. You don't want the little picture?
No.
It's cute, right? Oh my god! Oh my gosh!
Arriba Texas!
Ayan. Did our market run? Don't like it, but it's got to be done. If you stand here long enough, they'll turn into what we want, right? That's funny.
The thoughts creep in, dark sides of my room turn to shadows in the shape of you. You used to know me well, or maybe just one side. Are you here with me tonight? 'Cause I wish I was next to you. 3 a.m. 3 a.m. 3 a.m. Strange things start happening. I tie loose ends, but they keep unraveling.
Look how cute it has bats.
And I swear you call my name. I love you just the same. Or maybe I'm unraveling. Strange things start happening. The past creeps in. I tried every time like a riddle to make sense of you. And I could wish you well and
What does it say? They are right behind you. It's very dim. I don't see the price on that. These are beautiful, right? Oh my goodness, we saw this. The hats are 15, the candy corn.
3 a.m. Strange things start happening. I tie loose ends, but they keep unraveling.
Look at these are candle holders. $12.99, hand carved wood. These are cute. I could use this in nursing school. A little too late for that. It's a good refresher though, right? Look, I really like her. I should have bought her instead of the silver, but oh well. And look at these. Oh, this is very bright. It's so cute. Beautiful. The bottom is resin. That's different, right? I don't think we've seen this one. $14.99. They're going on a bike. Are they kissing? Yes, they are. Happy Halloween. Did we slide up? Oh yeah, the Halloween. The Halloween sign. $16.99. Oh, this is a very nice cake. I'm done buying cakes, but that's a nice one. Oh my. Is that Stitch as a devil? Oh my goodness. Okay. Is that Eeyore trick-or-treating? I thought he was too sad and depressed for that. That's cute though, right? Oh, there's Marilyn again. She makes a comeback. Oh, girl. Cover your goodies. Oh my. That's cute. It's $15. She cute. Wow. Tons of stuff came out. Ooh, look at this one. I just wish it was in a purple hat. Maybe a different color. $34.99. Eee, the spider. It's very, very scary for me. I touched it. I feel gross now. I'm looking for certain plates that I saw, but I saw them in the salad plate. And I want the dinner. I don't think they've come out yet. Oh, this is cute. It's still $4.99, not bad. Oh, look at Jack and Zoe. $7.99. I kind of always want this one, but I think I might have one. It's $5.99. And I think we saw this one. I think we did $7.99. These are kind of cool for like if you want to go with that color or even through Thanksgiving, right? Let's see. I still want the ghosties. They're cute. There she is again. I keep seeing her, but I'm not going to get her. Yeah, this looks scary. He's scary. It's 24. Oh, look at this one's only $9.99. Not bad. This one's only $20. Kind of want it, but it's a big piece, so I won't. I think that's all we're gonna see for today, maybe. Oh, she's cute. I came to look for Johanna Parker, but it's not happening. I did find other Johanna Parker stuff, just not what I'm looking for. I love this. I love this display. It's gorgeous. Just remember last year, they're so pretty. They do have the new ones with the hearts, the black hearts. Oh, he's a cutie. They have the candy corns too, look. The candy corns. I've looked for those everywhere and I finally found them. They have this still. And then they have these, which I think I already picked these out. Yeah, I did. The cute little couple. And these are all the same. This was from last year. She's cute though, right? She's cute. Kind of could go together, I guess. Ooh, that makes me nervous. It's so pretty. So much JP. I keep coming to this table hoping to find those witches mugs, but I can't find them. Yeah, that's the only thing I'm looking for. I think JP related is the witches mugs. It's like if you stand here long enough, it'll turn into what we want, right? That's funny. Look at these, friends. Oh my gosh. These are adorable. 25. And this I got last year, 25. But I think I want to take extras. And where's the other one? Oh, these two. See? 25.